हेलो लर्नर्स, बहुत ही खुशी की बात है जो हम लोग आपका इंग्लिश का लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन का सीरीज लेकर चल रहे थे। तो आज उसका अंतिम वीडियो अपलोड होने जा रहा है। जैसा कि आप देख रहे थे कि मैं सीरीज वाइज आपको पहले ही वीडियो में बता दिया था कि मैं जो आपके बुक में प्रोस से 2 चैप्टर के ऊपर लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन दूंगा, पोएम्स से 2 चैप्टर के ऊपर लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन दूंगा और एक जो चैप्टर होगा वो होगा प्रपोजल। तो आज मैं प्रपोजल के ऊपर कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन दे दूंगा और गारंटी के साथ बोल सकता हूं कि इसके बाहर आपके एग्जाम में नहीं आएगा। यदि आप वेस्ट बंगाल बोर्ड क्लास 12 के स्टूडेंट हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। यदि आपको पीडीएफ चाहिए तो इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेरा व्हाट्सअप नंबर दिया गया है, वहाँ से जुड़कर आपको पीडीएफ मिल सकता है। और इसके पहले का यदि आप वीडियो नहीं देखे हैं, 2 प्रोस का 2 पोएम का, तो हमारे चैनल के प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं, जिसका नाम लिखा हुआ है WB क्लास 12 इंग्लिश ABTS 2025। उस प्लेलिस्ट में आपको ये सारी वीडियोज मिल जाएंगी। तो चलिए हम लोग फटाफट बिना वक्त गंवाए हुए इस वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। वीडियो को लाइक करिए, कमेंट करके बताइए कि आप वेस्ट बंगाल के किस डिस्ट्रिक्ट से मेरे इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं। साथ ही साथ ये हमारा इंग्लिश यहाँ पे कंप्लीट होता है। अब बहुत जल्द मैं आपको संडे तक, ये जो आने वाला संडे है उस तक मैं आपका हिस्ट्री, पॉलिटिकल, एजुकेशन, जियोग्राफी, फिलोसफी सारे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन अपलोड कर दूंगा। लास्ट मिनट सजेशन दे दूंगा, आप लोग बिलीव करिए थोड़ा। चलिए हम लोग देख लेते हैं हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है कि डिस्क्राइब द करेक्टर ऑफ लोमोज। Ivan Vasilovich Lomo is a chief character in the play The Proposal. He believes that he has a number of illness, including nervous disorder. Although he came to propose Natalia, she could not propose as he got involved into an argument with Natalia centering the ownership of Oxen Meadows. Lomo, being a patient of nervous disorder, was prone to unusual excitement. Lomo failed to propose Natalia formally. It was under Chubuko's instruction that he kissed Natalia. Thus, the marriage proposal of Lomo got final seal of assent, assent, assent through Chubuko's intervention. Lomo's argumentative nature and his nervous representation make us enjoy his character in the play. इसका हिंदी यहाँ पर दिया गया है, आप इसे देख लीजिएगा। आप वीडियो को लाइक नहीं करते हैं, बहुत ख़राब लगता है। बहुत मेहनत करके वीडियो बनाता हूँ आप लोगों के लिए। चुबुको ए सेंसिबल फादर, हाउ डू यू नो। ठीक है, ये आपके आया था अभी बोर्ड के एग्ज़ाम में, 2016 के एग्ज़ाम में। तो स्टेफन स्टेफेनोविच चुबुको इज बेसिकली ए श्रेड लैंड ओनर and a business-like father than a sensible one. Chubuko makes unusual welcome to Lomo, using words like my precious, my darling, etc. But he remains doubtful about Lomo's real purpose of visiting his home. He supports Natalia's side of argument against Lomo only to display that he is a supportive father. He is immensely pleased when Lomo expresses his desire to marry Natalia, but greatly offended when he is required to call Lomo back to his daughter. He timely intervene intervenes to put the seal of assent to Lomo's marriage proposal by instructing Lomo and Natalia to kiss each other and offers champagne to celebrate the occasion as the feels greatly relieved from the economic and social responsibility of a grown-up daughter. Thus, it clearly appears from his behavioral aspects that Chubuko is out and out a matter of fact father with lack of personality and very little sensible corners। इसका आपका हिंदी दिया हुआ है, आप लोग देख लीजिएगा। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं। डिस्क्राइब द करेक्टर ऑफ नतालिया। मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, आपको अच्छे से पढ़ना है इसको। तो नतालिया अपीयर्स फर्स्ट इन द पोएम in her negligee and a house coat. This is enough to draw our attention to two important aspects of her character. First, she is not a fashionable lady. Secondly, she is expert in managing home affairs. Later on, we find her argument with Lomo centering around the dispute rising out of ownership over auction meadows and superiority of their dog Sweezer in comparison to Gaze. Natalia suffer from hysterics as she becomes unusually excited when she comes to know that Lomo wants to propose her. She becomes highly tensed. Tensed when Lomo is found deal like one and armchair. She becomes happy when Lomo revives from fitness, being the only woman character in the play. She has played the most important part। चलिए हिंदी आप लोग देख लीजिएगा इसका। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं। मेक ए ब्राइफ स्केच ऑफ सोशल लाइफ एज यू सी इन द प्ले। The proposal focuses a spotlight on the contemporary Russian society of Chekhov's time. It is known that marriage used to be negotiated ridiculously and often without considering the age gap in between the spouses. Marriages were mostly arranged and the qualification, temperament, attitudes, etc. hardly mattered. In most cases, marriage was either a case of economics benefits or of other gains. Girls could not decide or choose their partners. Daughters were considered economically ability. Natalia was not an exception. Stepan Stepanovich Chubukov felt great relief when she could put Natalia's hand in Lomo's. Thus, the play, the proposal can be considered as a piece of contemporary Russian social life। ओके, आप हिंदी देख लीजिएगा। Why did Lomo think about taking a decision about getting marriage married? When did he want to marry? Why? At the age of 35, Lomo has come to a point in his life where it is not possible for him to remain a bachelor. She can't wait for ideal or true love. She suffers from palpitations and in insomnia, so he needs somebody to support him. Lomo wanted to marry Natalia. Lomo chose Natalia not because he has fallen in love with her, but because of a practical necessity. He thinks that Natalia is an excellent housekeeper, not bad looking, well educated, and so he chose her. He has no cordial emotion for her। ठीक है, आप इसका हिंदी देख लीजिएगा। नेक्स्ट, forgive us Ivan Vasilievich, we were all a little heated. Who is the speaker? Who are referred to by us? Why were the persons referred to a little heated? Why does the speaker ask for forgiveness? Answer. In Anton Chekhov's play, The Proposal, Natalia is the speaker. Here, both Natalia and her father Chubuko are referred to by us. Both Natalia and Lomo claimed Oxen Meadows to be their respective property. When Chubuko joined Natalia, the argument over the ownership of Oxen Meadows became so hot and furious excavation of family scandal that Lomo could not bear the excitement, so they were a little heated over the issue. The speaker asked for forgiveness because she can't afford to miss the opportunity to take Lomo's her husband. ये आप देख सकते हैं इसका हिंदी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. She is like a love-sick cat. Who said this and about whom? Analyze the character of the person referred to here under the light of the comment above. Chubuko says Chubuko says this about his daughter Natalia. Chubuko says this to Lomo when he come with a proposal. Natalia was a young unmarried girl of 25 years. She was an excellent housekeeper and was not bad looking. She was 13 for love, thirsting for love. Her father called her a lovesick cat. Lomo said that she was well educated, but she did not seem to be so. She was very quarrelsome and abusive by nature. When she learned that Lomo had come to propose to her, she forgot all fairness and unfairness. She began to wail over the lost chance. She forced her father to call him back. आप लोग हिंदी देख सकते हैं. We have had the land for nearby 300 years. Who is the speaker? Who is speaker to? What is referred to as the land? What do you know of the land from their conversation? Natalia Stepanovna is the speaker. Natalia spoke to Lomo. Oxen Meadows is referred to as the land. From this conversation, Lomo and Natalia fight over an issue of the ownership of the Oxen Meadows that has been disputed property between the two families since generations. Lomo says his aunt's grandmother gave the free use of these meadows in per- perpetuity to the peasants of the father's grandfather is return for which they were to make brick for her. But Natalia says that both her grandfather and great grandfather and grandfather reckoned that their land extended to burnt marsh, which means the oxen meadows were here hers. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा क्या दिया है. चलिए मैं आपको स्क्रॉल करके दिखा देता हूं और दो क्वेश्चन से. थोड़ा इसको रीडिंग करने का मूड नहीं कर रहा. आप लोग इसको देख के अपने से रीडिंग कर लीजिएगा. ओके, हिंदी तो लिखा ही हुआ है. ये हुआ 9 नंबर कंप्लीट. ये हो गया आपका 10 नंबर कंप्लीट। बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है यार, आसान नहीं है ये सर्च कर करके वीडियो बनाना। प्लीज़ यार लाइक करो, अपने दोस्तों में शेयर करो। आपका एक लाइक मेरे को अगले वीडियो बनाने के लिए मोटिवेट करेगा। चलिए मिलते हैं किसी और वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।